Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Account linked, level 10 or higher, and the game mode unlocked. Do that now. Next, secure 1,000 basic tokens or buy the starter pack so you can enter rounds immediately. This matters because early rounds award boosted currency. Once done, enable two-factor and join the in-game event channel for announcements and bonus windows. You need these steps in place before grinding, otherwise you'll miss time-limited multipliers and daily caps. You now run the optimized earning loop. Prioritize daily quests and timed events because they yield guaranteed currency and scale with difficulty. Use booster items, 2x tokens and 50% XP, right before high-tier matches to amplify gains. Boosters stack with win streak multipliers. Coordinate squad roles so you consistently secure objectives. Objective completion often grants more currency than kills. Make sure to log each session's rewards to track cap progress and avoid wasting boosters on low-yield matches. To finish, claim rewards right after matches and convert any temporary tokens before they expire. This secures your balance. Once you hit weekly caps, shift to filler activities that refresh daily quests. If currency is missing, check event logs, receipts, and the rollback window. Errors usually show there. If unresolved, contact support with transaction ID, timestamps, and screenshots. Persistence matters. One troubleshooting tip: restart the client and clear cache before contacting support. It often resolves sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.